Hello everyone, today our topic top 10 beautiful birds in the world. So let's start it. Number 10, Hyacinth macaw. With an impressive length of 100 cm, Hyacinth macaw is the largest of all flying species of parrots in the world. They inhabit in semi-open areas and savanna grasslands of northern Brazil. Their population has been declined in the past few years. Today less than 5,000 Hyacinth macaw left in the world. Habitat loss and hunting are main threats to Hyacinth macaw. Besides the large size, Hyacinth macaw is famous for their striking cobalt blue plumage with bright yellow rings around their eyes. Due to this stunning coloration, Hyacinth macaw, also called as blue macaw. They also have a beautiful long tail and strong curved black bill. With proper training, Hyacinth macaw could be an excellent pet to make them comfortable. You should also give them a lot of species. They are very playful or not so good at imitating words like some other members of macaw family. You should be aware of powerful bill of Hyacinth macaws. It cannot be granted that they will not bite you even with proper caring and training. The Hyacinth macaws also be extremely loud when they are in a group. Number 9, wood duck. Wood duck is probably the most stunningly colorful waterfowl in the world. The male bird has a metallic purplish green head and crest. Their belly is white and chest is dark red. Along the neck, they have attractive narrow white stripes. Their wings are patterned blue and black. Female wood ducks are not so colorful as males. They have grey-brown head, white belly and white speckled breast. Male bird uses their colorful plumage to attract female bird during breeding season. Number 8, Bohemian waxwing. Bohemian waxwing is the medium-sized songbird with distinctive crested head and black masks. They are brownish-grey overall and wings have white and yellow edging. Thus, Bohemian waxwing is among the most beautiful passerine birds in the world. Bohemian waxwing inhabit in boreal forest across Northern America and Eurasia, mostly in Canada and Alaska. In winter, they migrate in large flocks to the northwest parts of the United States. They nest on tree branches. Both male and female Bohemian waxwing are known for their high-pitched calls. They mainly feed on insects and berries. Number 7, blue jays. Blue jays are one of the most intelligent and beautiful birds in the world. They are found across forests of eastern and central North America. The blue jays have stunning blue, white and black plumage. The most distinguishing feature of this songbird is its noisy, JJ-like calls. They can also imitate the call of other species of birds. Besides the striking appearance, blue jays are famous for their intelligence. They may steal nestling and eggs of other birds. Blue jays also mimic the voice of hawks to deceive other birds. It is said that blue jays in captivity also could mimic human speech and the voice of other pets. Blue jays are social birds. They are found in small flocks. But in winter during migration to the south, they form large flocks of hundreds of blue jays. Their migration behavior still remains a mystery among scientists. Not all blue jays migrate during winter. Some birds remain in their neutral territory. Also, no blue jays migrate every year. Number 6, Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffin is a small, well-adapted seabird that found across the coast of northern United States and eastern Canada. Atlantic puffin are also known as sea parrot due to their huge, multicolored build and penguin-like coloration. Atlantic puffins spend most of their lives on sea. Their water-resistant feathers keep their body warm while swimming. They flap their wings to swim on the surface and underwater. Atlantic puffins have excellent diving capability. They can reach up to 60 meters on diving. They typically hunt sand eels, capelins, and hakes. Atlantic puffins are also excellent flies. They can reach a speed 55 miles an hour by flapping wings up to 400 times per minute. They breed in each summer and spring on the Iceland of North Atlantic Ocean. They built nests using feathers and grasses in the burrow on the cliffs. The female lays only one egg and it takes 45 days to hatch it. After hatching, adult puffins leave the nest for finding food for chicks. They bring back small fishes for their chicks. Athletic puffins can load between 10 to 30 fishes in their huge beaks. Number 5. Kill-billed toucan. Kill-billed toucan is among the birds with most amazing bills in the world. They have huge multicolored beak that will reach up to 20 cm in length. Due to this colorful bill, kill-billed toucan is also known as rainbow-billed toucan. Their beak is a mixture of green, red and yellow colors. In spite of heavy appearance, beak of the kill-billed toucan is hollow and light. It is made up of one type of proteins called keratin. They use this large colorful beak to attract female during the breeding season and also as a defensive weapon. This beautiful bird inhabits in the forest across Central and South America. They have a length of 20 cm and weight up to 4 kg. Their plumage is mostly black with the yellow throat and chest. Kill-billed toucan are poor flyers due to heavy wings. They can only move between the tree branches by hopping. Kill-billed toucans are very social birds. They form small flocks that contain up to 30 birds. They live in either neutral or woodpecker-made holes in trees. Their diet mainly consists of insects, lizards, and eggs. Number 4. Peacocks. Peacocks can grow up to 5 feet in length, which make it one of the largest flying birds in the world. In fact, the long tail of a peacock makes 60% of its total length. The colorful tail feather display of peacocks is probably the most beautiful courtship display among bird family. On courtship display, peacock spread out its enormous tail feathers to display the colorful patterns and eye spots. Some peacocks have a lengthy tail and more eye spots than others. The female peafowl or peahen also chooses a peacock with lengthy tail and more eye spots. Depending on the angle of reflection of light, color of a tail, feathers of peacock looks different. Number 3. Flamingo. Flamingo is probably the most recognizable wading bird in the world. The stunning red-purple colored plumage itself makes flamingos so special among birds. There are 6 different species of the flamingos in the world. They found on every continent except Antarctica. An adult flamingo measures 4 to 5 feet in length and up to 3.6 kg in weight. Their neck is long and lean and has a distinctive downward bent beak. The legs of flamingos are also very long, measure between 30 and 50 inches. The long leg and specially adapted beak let them to catch small fishes, larvae and planktons from the mud. Flamingos live in the large colonies that include thousands of members. Their striking red-purple color is due to the food they eat. Their diet mainly consists of brine, shrimp, planktons and blue-green algae. Flamingos also spend hours and oil up their plumage from the special glands using their plumage. It helps them to keep their plumage always in good condition. Number 2. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw is the one of the most beautiful and largest member of macaw family. They inhabit in humid evergreen forests across Central and South America. They are famous for their colorful plumage. They have bright red plumage with a blue back. Their upper wings are yellow and edged with green color. The strong curved beak is another noticeable feature of a scarlet macaw. Its upper part is white and the tip is black. An adult scarlet macaw has a length between 80 to 90 cm and weighs up to 1.5 kg. They are excellent flyers and can reach up to speed of 35 mph. Scarlet macaws also live for a long time. They have a lifespan of 40 to 50 years. It is said to be scarlet macaws in captivity can live up to 75 years. Number 1. Golden Pheasant. Golden Pheasant are famous for their brilliant colored plumage. They have a beautiful golden yellow crest tipped with red. The underpart is a bright red and face, sides and throat are rusty tan. The wattle of golden pheasant is yellow and its upper back is green. They also have a dark red shoulder feathers and a long pale brown tail. The male golden pheasant are more colorful than males. They have distinctive scarlet breast and flanks. Their central tail feathers also have striking black spots. Unlike male pheasants, females have a duller mottled brown plumage. Golden pheasants live in the dense forests and woodlands across western and central China. Male golden pheasants are longer than females. An adult male normally has a length up to 42 inches. Their tail accounts for the 2/3 of its total body length. The golden pheasants are poor flyers and spend most of their time on the ground. They mainly feed on berries, seeds and insects. So please subscribe my channel, like this video and thanks for watching.